Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're doing our room tour, our college room tour. Last time I did this at the end of the school year, but this time we're on time. We're uploading regularly and I'm filming this in the beginning. So yeah, if you like room tours, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So when you first walk in and you're standing here at the door, this is an overview of my room. Now I'm gonna go into more detail, so if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so starting with the bed, we have the same white sheets as last year, the same bed skirt, the same duvet cover, the same pillows in the back. Let me show you right there. The same gray pillows from IKEA, the same long accent pillow right here, which is from Winners, my same backrest, the same the same fuzzy gray throw blanket from HomeSense. And I already explained, if you're like in America, HomeSense is the same thing as Home Goods. The only thing different is that this year, instead of mustard yellow, my theme is like this dusty pink. So I got a dusty pink pillow and throw from Winners. You guys know I love Winners. Yeah, I know I love Winners. And then I have my unicorn right here that I won at Stampede, which is an amusement park thing, kind of thing, whatever. Then right over here, focus, last year the lights I bought didn't work, so I just had to live with it. But this year I was like, nah, I need some lights, and these are so cute. Look at these. So I got 2 of them, strung them up with transparent command hooks, and then like connected them in the middle right here, and boom, look, isn't she cute? She cute or whatever. And let me show you what they look like with the lights off. Okay, so that was the bed. Ooh, and underneath the bed now. Okay, right here I have a dresser. So in the first drawer I have all my pajamas and like loungewear, and in the second drawer I have sweaters over here, and I have sweatpants and a couple of leggings over here. That's that for that drawer. So if you just come over right here, lift her up. Okay, hold on. Over here I have all my crop tops, t-shirts, top, basically all my tops, and then I also have workout clothes right here. That's like, I need to organize that drawer. And then over here I have all my jeans, skirts, fancy pants like camo pants, all of that. And then as you can see, I have like a lot of stuff under my bed. I have like winter jackets, linen, like towels and extra bed sheets. I just keep them all over here because my closet is not that big, so I have to keep my winter jackets right there. So let me go backwards real quick. Over here is my closet. I have my slides and gym shoes right here, and I have my shower shoes, and here I have my backpack, and here I have my laundry hamper, which is from IKEA, same as last year. Back here I put up 3 command hooks. This one has my towel and face towel, and then in the back there's like my robe, and behind that there's my hoodie that I just wear to lounge around. Inside of my closet, ooh, at the top we have bras and underwear, socks. Over here we have like the current clothes I'm wearing, and in the back there's like beanies. Then on this hook we have my current gym clothes. There's my jewelry holder that I had from last year. And yeah, that's really all for my closet. It's color coordinated. It looks kind of messy, but whatever, it's organized. Okay. and then in these bottom drawers over here I have all my shoes, and then over here I have like my purses, plastic bags and stuff like that. That's really all for this section. It's nothing crazy, just where I get dressed. Over here, the room comes with a mirror. That's me. Hi. And over here, I have my wallflower. This is from Bath and Body Works, and this is the champagne toast scent. And the pink actually matches my room, which I did not plan for, but oh well. And then if you go back here to my bookcase, so for this bookcase I wanted bougie. Okay, so in the top we have this little area. All of these I had from last year, so I had these picture frames last year and I just printed new things to put in them. So I have this one, focus, okay, focused. I have this one, I have this marquee board thing. You can change the letters as you like. And I have my plant back there and this thing for my phone. I have my JBL speaker. This thing is amazing. And I have this picture. I have another plant right here. And if you come down over here, I have my heels, my mannequin head with my visor on it, and I have my Pumas. I put them on display because they're like really cool. The lace satin ribbons. But yeah, these two shelves are probably my favorite. Just look at them. Wow. But anywho, moving on. Over here I have a jewelry holder that my friend's mom made for me, so thank you. And I have my tissue box. In the back I have my lint roller and vitamins, just for like just a store. And over here I have where I keep all of my stuff basically. Wow. I have my hair stuff, I have body stuff, I have face stuff, I have skincare, like perfume, like I have everything in there. And then it just stays right there looking neat. Then over here I have cleaning supplies, my laundry, my fabric softener, a snack, Tide Pods. I make that joke every year, sorry. My trash bags, my dustpan, and something, I don't know what that is. And then if you move down here, these are all my school books, literally. I have all my notebooks and textbooks right there. I have my fan, I have my sneakers, my Air Force Ones. I have my mini backpack that I like take everywhere, so I just kept it here for easy access. And over here I just have like a thing full of all my like glasses, contacts, prescription stuff. Over here I have my shower caddy from last year. See, I didn't expect to still be using this thing this year, but like good thing I brought her because we use her. Over here I have my iron, haven't used her yet, and I have my umbrella. What was that? I don't know. I have my umbrella, and here I have this bin. I put this thing to make it look all neat, and I just have like a bunch of random stuff like my extra light board signs, my packages, yeah, school supplies, stuff like that. Don't want to get into her, but like, yeah, that's basically it for the bookshelf. Cute, cute, cute. And over here I have a trash can that came in the room. Over here I have my corkboard. I forgot what it was called for a second. The black, as you saw, I did this same thing last year. I just got some like poster paper and hung it up with the push pins, as you can see, and I got this calendar from Staples, and I write all my due dates. Yeah. Then over here I have my desk. My desk. She cute. Over here I have this the same thing as the gray one from HomeSense, and I have the same as the one on my bed from Winners. I have my laptop, I have my lamp from IKEA, same as last year, and my bottle. Here's the window. I don't want to roll it up because it'll mess up the lighting. I have this mirror that lights up from last year from I think Winners. And I have this thing from Walmart that I just keep all of my makeup in. So convenient to do your makeup in the morning right here. And here I have all my contact solutions and stuff, sanitizer and some Vaseline back there. And then in these drawers, this is like my miscellaneous drawer: snacks, electronic stuff, gum, headbands, earphones, scissors. This drawer is for all my like beauty stuff. I have lashes and lashes, I have Q-tips, I have my combs, my brushes, my hair clips, my makeup wipes, and then down here I just have all of my makeup palette, my scarf, nail stuff. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was it for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like my room. If you did, give it a thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of my room is, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.